Did you know you can create a long, continuous video with Grok?
What?
Let's create a long video.
A lot of people think you can't create long videos for free using Grok AI. But in today's video, I'm going to prove that wrong. I'm building a full video featuring a boy and a girl, and I'll show you exactly how you can make long videos for free with Grok AI. All right, let's get started. Before creating a video with Grok AI, I first need an image. I open the ChatGPT app and type the name or description of the image I want. For example, I might ask for an image of a young man and a young woman standing outdoors on a city street, smiling and talking to each other. After selecting this mode, I type Create Image, and within a short time, the image is generated and ready to use. Now I'm going to use Grok AI to create a full-length video. To create a video, I open Grok AI and go to the image section. I type in my video prompt, choose a photo, and click Create Image. In just a short moment, the video is generated with Grok AI. Now first, let's take a look at how the video is made.
Did you know you can create a long, continuous video with Grok?
What?
Let's create a long video.
Before you move forward, you might wonder, this video is only 6 seconds long, so how do you turn it into a full long-form video? If you search on YouTube, you'll find many tutorials, but most of them teach the wrong methods and end up wasting your time. After generating a 6-second clip, people usually get confused because they have no idea how to extend it properly. So today I'm going to show you the correct way to turn that 6-second video into a long, seamless cinematic video using Grok AI. This is the proper method, the one that actually works. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Now you have to click on the video prompt. So as you can see, I'm cutting this one, and now I'm writing a new video prompt. For example, I type a boyfriend girl, and then I click on the Create Video option. After a short moment, our video is generated and ready. Take a look. Now both videos have become 12 seconds long. Next, I type another video prompt again, a boy, and then click on the video icon. After a short while, this video also gets created. Look at this. By doing this, you can extend your video. You just have to write your video prompts in different ways. And using this method, you will be able to make long videos. If you want to learn more powerful techniques like this and discover new AI tools that can take your content to the next level, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I share unique, practical methods you won't find anywhere else. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really supports the channel. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. I truly appreciate it.